guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys have been asking me for an updated makeup tutorial for a very long time, so today I'm going to be showing you how I get my everyday look. It's pretty simple and I've been using some new favorite products and I recommend that you guys check them out because I'm obsessed. Anyway, here's the tutorial.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Oh, just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just
Makeup's done and this is the finished look. It's very simple, a little glowy, and I have a little bit of color on my eye. I usually don't wear a lot of eyeshadow, but I'm obsessed with the Pat McGrath eyeshadow, so I've been using it almost every day. When I want to add like a little bit of color, I will use just a tiny bit. Warning, it's super pigmented, so if you don't like a lot of color on your eyelids, I recommend just using a tiny bit. All of Pat McGrath's products are amazing and I'm obsessed, so that's why I wanted to show you guys the 3 products that I've been using from her because I literally love the products. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe in the bubble on the screen. And thanks for watching.